Once upon a time, in the heart of the enchanted forest, there were two fairy siblings, Lily and Oliver. They lived in a beautiful village made of delicate flowers and shimmering crystals. The village was always buzzing with activity as the fairies went about their daily chores and played in the meadows. One sunny morning, as Lily and Oliver were playing in the meadow, they noticed a family of squirrels scurrying about, gathering nuts and acorns for the winter. The siblings watched in awe as the squirrels darted from tree to tree, their fluffy tails twitching with excitement. "Those squirrels are so cute!" Lily exclaimed, giggling as one of the baby squirrels stumbled over a fallen acorn. "I wish we could be friends with them," Oliver mused, his eyes sparkling with curiosity. And so, Lily and Oliver decided to approach the squirrels and introduce themselves. The squirrels, weary at first, soon warmed up to the friendly siblings and began chattering away, sharing stories of their adventures in the forest. As the days went by, Lily, Oliver, and the squirrels became inseparable. They frolicked in the meadows, climbed trees, and had picnics in the shade of the ancient oaks. The fairies taught the squirrels how to fly using magic dust, while the squirrels showed the fairies how to navigate treetops with agility and grace. One day, while exploring a new part of the forest, Lily and Oliver stumbled upon a hidden path that led to a mystical waterfall. The water cascaded down the rocks, shimmering in the sunlight like 1,000 diamonds. In the pool below, a majestic swan was gliding gracefully, its wings outstretched in a display of beauty. "We should build a little village here," Oliver suggested, his eyes alight with excitement. "Yes, a village where all creatures can come together and live in peace," Lily added, nodding in agreement. And so, with the help of the squirrels and other forest creatures, Lily and Oliver set about building their second fairy village. They used petals from the flowers, leaves from the trees, and crystals from the river to create tiny houses and pathways that glistened in the sunlight. The village soon became a bustling hub of activity, with fairies, squirrels, birds, and other woodland creatures coming together to celebrate their shared friendship and unity. The swan, who had since become a guardian of the waterfall, watched over the village with a wise eye, ensuring that peace and harmony reigned supreme. As the seasons changed and the days grew shorter, the villagers gathered for a grand harvest festival, a time of feasting, dancing, and merriment. The air was filled with laughter and music as everyone joined hands and danced around the village square in a circle of unity and joy. And so, the two fairy villages lived on, side by side in the heart of the enchanted forest, a shining example of friendship, cooperation, and love. Lily, Oliver, and their furry friends knew that as long as they had each other, nothing could ever tear them apart. And as the sun set on another magical day, casting a golden glow over the treetops, the villagers gathered by the waterfall to make a wish for peace, happiness, and everlasting friendship. And as they closed their eyes and whispered their wishes to the wind, a shooting star streaked across the sky, carrying their hopes and dreams to the farthest corners of the forest. And so, the two fairy villages and their woodland friends lived happily ever after, in a world where magic and wonder were always just a heartbeat away.